Crash course on Norway, local customs, city guides, hidden gems, and travel itineraries. Norway, a land of stunning fjords, majestic mountains, and vibrant cities, offers a rich tapestry of culture, customs, and breathtaking landscapes that captivate travelers from all over the world. From the vibrant streets of Oslo to the tranquil beauty of the Norwegian countryside, there is something for everyone to explore and experience. Let's delve into the local customs, city guides, hidden gems, and travel itineraries that make Norway a must-visit destination. Local customs and etiquette. Norwegians are known for their friendly and welcoming nature. Handshakes are common when meeting new people, and it is essential to maintain eye contact during conversations to show respect. Additionally, punctuality is highly valued, so be sure to arrive on time for appointments and gatherings. When dining in Norway, it is customary to wait until the host says vel bekomme, bon appétit, before starting your meal. Tipping is not mandatory, as service charges are usually included in bills, but leaving a small tip for exceptional service is appreciated. City guides and hidden gems. Oslo, the capital city, boasts a perfect blend of modernity and history. Visit the iconic Oslo Opera House, a stunning architectural masterpiece, and explore the Viking ship museum to delve into Norway's fascinating maritime history. Bergen, nestled between fjords and mountains, is a picturesque city known for its colorful wooden houses and vibrant fish market. Take the Floebenen funicular to Mount Floyn for breathtaking panoramic views of the city and fjords. Hidden gems include the charming coastal town of Ålesund, famous for its Art Nouveau architecture, and the Lofoten Islands, a breathtaking archipelago known for its dramatic landscapes and fishing villages. Travel itineraries and day trips. Consider exploring the majestic Norwegian fjords on a scenic cruise from Bergen or Stavanger. Day trips to the Norøy Fjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the Geiranger Fjord offer unforgettable experiences of nature's grandeur. For adventure seekers, head to Tromsø, Norway's gateway to the Arctic, and embark on a thrilling Northern Lights tour during the winter months. Explore the rich cultural heritage of Norway by visiting the stave churches, such as the famous Ørnes Stave Church, dating back to the Middle Ages. Budget-friendly tips. While Norway is known for its higher cost of living, there are budget-friendly options available. Consider using public transportation, such as trains and buses, for affordable travel between cities. Opt for self-catering accommodations or hostels for more economical stays, and take advantage of the abundant hiking trails and free outdoor activities. Summarize. Norway is a land of natural wonders, vibrant cities, and welcoming people. Embrace the local customs, immerse yourself in the hidden gems, and embark on exciting travel itineraries that showcase the best of Norway's beauty and culture. Poem. In Norway's embrace, fjords weave their tale. Mountains stand tall, their beauty unveiled. From Oslo's streets to Bergen's embrace. A land of wonders, time can't erase. Viking ships sail on museum's floor. Art Nouveau whispers in coastal lore. Lofoten's charm, a hidden delight. Ålesund's beauty, a painter's light. Adventure awaits in Arctic skies. The Northern Lights' magical surprise. Stave churches guard stories of old. A rich tapestry of legends untold. Budget wisely, explore with glee. In Norway's heart, your soul set free. With each new step, a journey's start. In Norway's embrace, etch memories in your heart. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Unhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.